Okay. What's in here will scar you guys. I'm just playing. It's just some fidget spinners. Oh. Little montage here. I just need one more little space right here to be full. So let's start off first. My favorite. The Rainbow Ninja Star. This thing is insane. I mean, like, for real. Super shiny rainbows. And it spins really well. No, it's a beauty. Okay, next. The gear square. Oh, no, that's not good.
Damn, why wasn't my guy shooting them? Right. There you go. Definitely did that.
Okay, I think I fixed it. Yeah. So, as you can see, you can just spin the gears, or you can spin the whole fidget spinner.
How are they jumping like that?
Next, we got the two-sided rainbow fidget spinner.
Jumping like 100 fucking feet down.
Next, we got a little boy.
Ooh, right there, right in front of you. Oh, it's close. Look at
Then we also got just a sharp ninja star. That hurts, actually. A little Batman one. You know. The rest are just normal ones. Silver. Five Nights at Freddy's one? Yeah, that's the name, right? Yeah. And there's just a Green Lantern one. Well, that's it. I have a way bigger one with like 12 fidget spinners in one. I'm gonna have to go find that though in the next video.